$1,000 a couple of times. I just won $1,000 in a drawing. I missed a lawnmower. I think she got $1,500 plus the lawnmower. Oh, that's pretty. $10 bet. I went up. I'll take it. Times 2. So I think that'd be a 150. I hope, guys, we needed it. Did you see? I just won 1,000 on the drawing. Awesome. But it's going to be just points. Okay, there's. Well, I'm going to get some money here, but I need a lot. Let's get that major. Let's get the major.
Okay.
One more, just one more. Come on. And it's stuck. All right, we'll take it because it's times 2. That should be, I think, about $300. All right, guys. Wow, look what we got. 430. We love it. Boy, did I need that. Thank you, thank you.
You went from here to there.
Huh?
You went from there to there. I always tell my buddy, man, you get up there to see you want my money.
Oh, haha. Well, I think I got to get out of the $10 one. Go back to 2.
So, how much is 1,000 points worth of land?
What?
How much is 1,000? $10?
No, it's $1,000. I won $1,000 in points.